Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. In our previous video, I've shown you that how we'll design our AF connection and Apex connection of Tekla portal frame, and in this video I'm going to show that how we'll design our base connection with our column and foundation. Okay, so let's start. And before that, if you're new to our channel, watch our previous video, and if you come here first to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So I'll just open our model. So that is our model in portal frame. So I have designed that on in our previous video, so you can see that. Now I am going to design our base. Here is the base and here is the base. So I'll just I'll design one of it, and you can design another like same way. So just right click here and click here export connection. So just click export connection and just minus it, and see here, this is our base connection. Here is our base connection actually. So now we'll just design it. Okay, we'll just design it, and to design it, before that I will just check is it okay or not. So to check, right click and click here, check the connection. So see that it's passed in welding. Okay, in welding it's a passed, but in shear it's not passed. In shear it's not passed. So I'll just close that. After that I'll go right click and click here edit connection. Okay, edit connection. So after that here I'll just see that this is our base plate. This is our base plate thickness also, and here if I see, this is okay. So column eccentricity no, then base plate eccentricity no, base plate width, base plate thickness, if we increase the thickness 20, you can see what happened, and its length, this is the length. So after that apply, it's also failing. Close that. So I'll give its value as previous. Just I'll check something. Okay, close that. After that it's okay. Now I'll go here bolt layout. So in bolt layout it is also okay, or you can change, or you can do anything here. After that we'll come here bolt. So in bolt it is also okay. I'll don't do anything actually here first time, then I'll go in next. Before that I'll come here reinforcement. It is also, I'll don't do anything here. If you think that you want to give the reinforcement in like anchor, you can change it here. Okay, and also design detail requirement, here it's given. After that this is the anchor, this is the anchor. So the anchor is individual, so if you want to give it combined, so you can also give it combined anchor, and also you can give it individual. So I'll give it combined and see what happened. So it's not okay also. Actually you have to understand, it's failing in shear. It's failing in shear. That means if you see here where it will fail in shear, so it will fail in shear with its bolt connection. Okay, so they have only one place with that foundation and with that bolt, that is shear, that you can fail in shear. So I will just go here concrete base bolt. So I'll go in bolt and I will increase its size 22 and projection. So when it's 22, see what happened. It's showing projection above base plate, projection above base plate. The position above base plate is 40. If I give here 60, it's okay now, or 45, it's also okay. Okay, after that when 60, I'll just give here 45, and after that see what happened. Apply. It's also not okay, so I will increase just breadth of it and apply. It's also not okay. So here horizontal shear transfer. So horizontal shear transfer. Now I will come here. So this is friction alone, bearing on bolts. So if I select that, just you can give the value here, coefficient, factor into D and factor FCO. Okay, you can see it. After that apply, just see that it has passed. Okay, so I'll just again come back, and from here actually I will go back here 0.8. I will just come here, that is 20. Okay, leave it 20. After that I will go here, horizontal shear transfer. This is friction angle, and it's okay. After that I will just come here, anchor. So it's combined, and I will increase its width. It's 100. I'll give it 120 or more. Then see what happens here. Then click apply. It's also not okay. So actually it's also I mean it's only failing in that's bolt shear. Okay, so I'll just again go back and give a 100. Thickness is 100 and use individual to reduce our cost actually. And after that I will apply, fail, and I'll just go here, bolts, and here also you can see something, bolt layout. Okay, so it's okay actually. Then bolts, just come here and use friction and bearing on bolts. Friction and just you can select friction and bearing on bolts. So here if we provide that friction and bearing, just you can coefficient, you can change that. Okay, coefficient KBS, factor D and factor F you see. Okay, then apply. Now it's passed. It have passed, and only if we use bearing on plate, then it's a passed, but its utilization factor is 0.837, right? So you can use any of it, no problem. So after that press OK. Now see that it's a passed in every sector. Okay, it's a passed in every sector, but in welding it's showing us its utilization is very low. I mean it's passed absolutely, but if we give some consideration there, direct connection, and if we go welds, so it's 0.8 mm. Okay, it's done. You can also change that 6, 7, sorry, 8 is okay, so we cannot reduce more than 8. So it's okay actually for our every sector. It's okay. Then apply, it's passed, then close, then press OK. So then again close. So our base connection is okay now. Okay, this is our base connection and this is okay now. So now just I will show that how we will just come here, right click here. Okay, then open 3D. This is in 3D view. Right click, open 2D view. So this is a 2D view. Okay, so from here you can just give your data, what is required what. Okay, after that if you want to export in AutoCAD, so like as our previous video, you can export that in AutoCAD. Just save it, save with a name, and go to that file. This is the base. Just right click, I mean double click, and see what happened here. So here is actually our connection. Just see here, here is actually our connection, and in this way this is the welded fillet. So in this way you can also design your, and you can also design your connection for another base. So if you think that that's helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the next update very fast, and also like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Your own like and your own comment inspires for the next product. So thank you very much.